Alright, so we're back at the Maverick. We've recently did the brake light turn signals and stuff from Lasfit. We got another Lasfit item right here. This is, I think, the last one we're doing. And this is gonna bring the taillights all together. So right here we have the LED reverse lights. So, installation. You've seen this a couple times before. It's an 8mm socket.
That Josh. Yep.
That joint's fine.
That Josh.
You pull this out, plug down here. The middle, the middle is gonna be a reverse. So you're gonna twist, pull. Whoops.
Break that down?
You're gonna take this. You're gonna take this. Whoops.
Alright.
And now we have this big beefy boy. It's a lot more LEDs. You can do something with this. Not with this. This is some junk. But Lasfit hooked it up. I'm pretty sure Lasfit is the only direct replacement for the Maverick lights right now. So make sure you check them out. Link in the description for all that. Bang, and you're good. It's in there. Put this back on. You're gonna put these 8mm bolts back in. Get those started by hand, you know. Don't need to wile out.
Didn't last time.
Didn't last time. Now it's not dark out, but I'm gonna go throw it in reverse. See if you can tell the difference.
Alright.
You should be able to.
Probably.
All them LEDs versus that little jump.
Yeah. We're gonna see. Oh yeah.
What are we looking like?
You're looking a whole lot better. Now it matches the Lasfit up there too.
Come
You ain't even
do it for me. I want to see.
Oh,
Oh yeah. This one's like yellow. Oh yeah. That's gross. Well, now the truck is all done up in Lasfit. I don't think there's any more stuff for us to buy from them.
interior lights maybe? They have those?
I don't know. Might have to find out if they have interior lights, but that's how you do it. So the other side is obviously going to be the same exact thing, but you're on the other side of the truck, so I'm not going to show you that. But I'm going to just... It looks good. The white looks way better than this like yellowish junk we got going.
Especially with the jumps up there. I pointed them out.
Everything matches now, so we're good. If you want them,
Lasfit did you up, huh?
yeah, Lasfit hooked it up. If you want same lights, check link in the description. We got them. If you want the light bars on the front, refinetruck.com.
They didn't even see it.
They didn't even see it, but y'all know. You seen it.
Just check out refinetruck.com.
Yeah, let us know what kind of vids you want to see next. I think we have a few more in the pipeline. Sorry this one took so long. We got the bullshitting and took a little long to get this one out. I had that bean burrito, that just fucking me up. But yeah, we got some shit in the pipeline. Let me know what you want to see. But we got some small plans and we got some giant plans. So stay tuned if you want to know something about what's going on. But thanks for all the subs. Giveaway winner coming up soon. We did reach 800, so we're gonna pick a winner soon. If you want to enter, go check out the last vid, and we will catch you someday in the next vid.